Sir Michael, hello. Good evening po. Good evening na ba? 6 p.m. na ba? Okay, 6:25 p.m. na pala. So, ayan guys. Ang aking pusa. Nanonood ng video. Hello, Sir Michael. Yung aking pusa po guys, yung pumalit sa aking pwesto. OG Bran, hello. Mega love shoutout. OG Bran. Saglit lang po tayo guys. Yan, pinagbigyan ko muna ang aking pusa guys, nanood ng video. Thank you, OG Bran. Yan, pinagbigyan ko muna guys ang aking pusa. If you happy and you know, then clap your hands. If you happy and you know, and then clap your hands. OG Bran, thank you so much for coming in. Tita, nice view. That's my cat. OG Bran, that's my cat watching video on YouTube. So people in the house, thank you so much. Yes, OG Bran, his name is Foko. It's a Japanese name and then the English name is Lucky. That's a rescued cat. And thank you, my good friend, OG Bran, for coming in. I also have a dog. Foko, that's enough na. Bibi, enough na. Okay, bye-bye guys. Look at this spoiled cat. He's stealing my place.